Welcome. You don't need to do anything right now. You don't need to try to sleep. You don't need to relax. You don't need to clear your mind. All you need to do is allow. Just allow whatever is here to be here. Let your body settle into the surface beneath you. Feel the support of it, solid and steady, beneath every part of you. You are held, you are safe. Let your eyes be closed, soft and still behind their lids. Let your jaw be loose, let your lips part slightly. Let your shoulders sink a little further, then feels natural. And take one slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. I want to let you know that as you rest here, I am calling in Reiki healing energy, warm, intelligent, universal life force, and directing it gently through every part of your body. You don't need to do anything to receive it. Your body knows how to accept this. It has always known. Simply rest and allow the healing to begin. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head and imagine a soft golden white light gathering there, warm and gentle. This is the Reiki energy arriving, welcoming you, beginning its work. Feel that light now moving slowly into your scalp, into your forehead, releasing every thought that has been clinging there. The worries, plans, mental lists, gently without force, they dissolve in this light. There is nothing to hold on to. Everything can rest. The golden light moves into the space behind your eyes, into your temples, down through your jaw. Every muscle here growing loose and heavy and warm. Down through your neck, through your throat, releasing any words left unsaid today, any tension you've been holding in your voice. You don't need to speak right now. You don't need to explain anything. Just rest. Into your shoulders. This is where so many of us carry the weight of the world. Feel the Reiki warmth gathering here now, loosening the muscles, softening the tissue, asking this weight to release. And with your next exhale, let your shoulders drop just a little more. Down through your arms, your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, all the way into your hands, your palms growing heavy and warm, your fingers loose and still. The healing energy pulls in your hands, which have done so much today, honoring them, restoring them. In your chest now, your heart space. If there's anything here, any grief, any anxiety, any love held too tightly, the Reiki light simply holds it, not forcing it to change, not pushing it away, just holding it with a tenderness that asks nothing in return. Your belly softens, your lower back releases, the muscles along your spine, one by one, unclench and let go. Your hips grow heavy, your pelvis sinks into the surface beneath you. Down through your legs now, the healing warmth flows through your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, all the way down to the soles of your feet, which have carried you all day. The Reiki energy gathers here too, warm and steady, honoring every step. Your whole body now is soft, heavy, completely at rest, and the healing energy moves through every cell, quiet, intelligent, doing its work without any effort from you. I'm going to move the Reiki energy now through each of your energy centers. You don't need to visualize anything perfectly. Simply allow the warmth to find its way. Your root chakra, at the base of your spine, a deep, rich red warmth gathering here. This is your center of safety, of belonging, of feeling at home in your own body. Whatever has felt uncertain or ungrounded today, offer it to this light. Feel your roots deepening into the earth below you. Safe, stable, you belong here. Your sacral center, just below your navel, a warm amber glow. This is the seat of your creativity, your feeling, your flow. If you have been rigid today, efforting, pushing, forcing, let this warmth soften it. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to receive. You are allowed simply to be. Your solar plexus, your center of power, just above your navel, a golden yellow warmth. If there has been any anxiety held here today, any tightening, any dread, feel the Reiki light dissolving it gently. You have done enough. You are enough. Rest now. Your heart center, the middle of your chest, a soft healing green or perhaps rose pink. This is where love lives, where compassion lives, where you give so much of yourself. Allow the Reiki to fill this space now, not to take from you, but to give back. Receive this now. You deserve to be loved too. Your throat center, a clear, calm blue. Any words unspoken today, any truth held back, any voice stifled. A Reiki warmth moved through here with a great gentleness, asking for nothing, just offering release. You don't need to speak right now. You are heard, even in silence. Your third eye, the space between and slightly above your eyebrows, a soft indigo light, your mind growing quieter with every breath. The thinking, planning, questioning, all of it gently setting down. You don't need to figure anything out right now. Trust, rest, know. And your crown, the top of your head, a luminous violet and white. Your connection to something larger than yourself, to the universe, to source, to all that is. Feel that connection now, gentle and vast and completely supportive. You are not alone. You are held by something much greater. And now, imagine that all of those individual points of light are merging, flowing together, a warm golden Reiki light filling your entire body from the inside out. Every cell illuminated, every part of you held and healed and whole. And your body is becoming heavier now, heavier and warmer with each breath, as if you are slowly, gently sinking into the most comfortable, most supported rest you have ever known. The thoughts, if they come, Simply let them float past like clouds across vast night sky. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to solve them. You are the sky, spacious, still, untroubled. Each breath is slower now, deeper, more effortless. The golden light continues to move through you, restoring, replenishing, healing at every level: physical, emotional, energetic. You don't need to stay awake for this. Your body knows how to receive healing even in sleep, especially in sleep. Let your awareness grow soft at the edges now, like a candle flame gently dimming, not going out, just resting, quietly, beautifully, still. You are safe. You are healed. You are held. Allow yourself now to drift deeper and deeper and deeper still.